everyone, it is KiwiGumDrop and this is my little brother. Today we are going to react to Nature's new song, I'm So Pretty. I've been following Nature since their debut, but JoJo doesn't know who Nature is, so this is his first time seeing them. And he's about to go to bed, but...
No, I'm playing Fortnite.
Yeah, but you're going to go to bed after Fortnite. Okay, hold on. Are you ready, Joe?
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Let's go. Let's start. Oh no, there's an ad. It's okay, I'll just cut it
out.
At
least there's skip.
Yeah, let's start. Ooh.
Oh, pretty cool.
She's pretty, huh?
Yeah.
They're all really pretty in nature.
Yeah, everybody.
This is catchy. I'm excited. I love their outfits. I like the brass in the background.
Yeah, kind of me too.
Ooh, the choreo is catchy too. I like this. It's like, the dance is catchy. I feel like the dance will catch on before the song does.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
This is pretty cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
Who do you like so far?
Pretty much every Mud.
You like all of them?
Yeah.
Me too. It's cool. They're like in a mansion. Ooh, they're so cute. It's catchy.
Yeah, it's catchy.
It's like cute too. I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah.
She's really pretty. I think I like her the most. It's like the Aflac ducks.
Yes.
I was just thinking that. I love the music video because it's like Barbie doll, like a Barbie doll house.
Like it's like a sun house something. Like
A sun house.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like a sun beach house.
Sun beach. Yeah.
Oh, look at that silver shoe.
You like the silver shoe? Ooh, I like her earrings. They're strawberry earrings.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Oh, that's the end.
Yay.
I don't know what the tails are for. That's kind of weird, but
yeah.
I mean, it's cute and they did well.
All
so, what do you think?
I think that's pretty good.
Good song overall?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you listen to it again?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you like this girl group now?
Yeah, I love the girl group.
You like them? Okay. That's it.
Yep.
It's over.
So.
Here, do you want to do my outro?
Yes. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, which will be down here somewhere. and there will be a like video. Just click that blue button, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss every time I or she makes a video. And pretty much it. And yeah, so one more thing. We'll see you tomorrow.